Hello, my name is Chris Gamble, and I'm running the KiCon 2019. I wanted to talk a little bit today about lodging and what you might want to think about when you're booking your travel towards KiCon 2019. If you don't know, KiCon is in Chicago, Illinois, where I live and where we have a space at a place called mHub. mHub's like a shared workspace for hardware development, and it's going to be a great place for doing a thing like KiCon. It's very hardware focused. So let's take a quick look at the map here. So first things first, this is Chicago. If you don't know, it's on Lake Michigan. Very big lake here. In April, the weather will be, we'll see actually. It's probably going to be, 50s, 60s Fahrenheit or, 10 to 15 C. And it might be rainy, so definitely bring some rain gear. But hopefully, sometimes we get lucky and a nice walk along the lakeshore path will be worthwhile. Now, if you don't know, there's two airports in Chicago. The first one is down here. It's it's called Midway, and that's primarily Southwest flies there. And then O'Hare is the international airport. It's up here, and that's where we're going to start here. So let's first start with O'Hare. I'll just click on it actually. And then we're going to, so if we are going from O'Hare, we want to take from O'Hare to, let's go the other direction here, from O'Hare to mHub. There's a train called the Blue Line, and mHub is right on the Blue Line on the way into the city. So the Blue Line goes from O'Hare right downtown. And so you can see here, if you get on the Blue Line, you basically get off at the Chicago stop, which is a little confusing, but the Chicago stop on the Blue Line, and then you walk for about 3 minutes and you're right at mHub there. Now going the other direction, we can actually go from downtown as well, or let's go from Midway, I suppose. Midway, it's MDW. And that you basically, if you are going to take a train, you can go on the orange line, in from Midway to downtown. You switch one train and then you hop at Clark and Lake, and then you get to mHub as well. So that's about a 50-minute train from Midway and a 40-minute train from O'Hare. Now in terms of where to stay, let's clear this out. Basically the Blue Line is a great guide for where to stay. Now there's a bunch of hotels in downtown Chicago, and basically the Blue Line goes here. So this is Chicago, Grand, Clark and Lake, and then let's see, there's a couple here as well, Washington, Monroe, and LaSalle and Jackson. And basically these go back out towards the other part of the city here. But anywhere in the loop, this is called the loop down here, anywhere in the loop is probably a good fit. North of the city is okay. You probably want to take the 66 bus that goes across Chicago Avenue. That works as well. So those are kind of the main places here. Let's just take an example. So if you're going to get like an Airbnb from Logan Square, that's a place that I used to live, and you could get a Blue Line train from Logan Square to mHub, and it'd be about a 10-minute train ride. So there's a bunch of Airbnbs there, so you could go and get an Airbnb in this area and then take it a couple stops down to mHub here on the Chicago stop. I guess it says 20 minutes. That's because of walking as well. So similarly, if you're going to stay out by UIC, say you had a friend at UIC Chicago, that's a college in town here. You could also take the Blue Line from UIC. You could either take the bus directly north, or you could take the Blue Line around the loop and then back out to Chicago here. So really the main thing to think about is, if you're not going to stay River North, you might want to think about staying, there are a lot of hotels up here. You want to take the 66 bus going west out to mHub. Anything else, I would recommend staying along the Blue Line and then taking the train to mHub in the morning. Also, of course, there's always Ubers and other things there. We are going to take a look at getting a block of hotel rooms. That has not been done yet, but we will be taking a look at doing that, and we will definitely update the website when that's the case. We're really excited about having you here for KiCon 2019. I think it's going to be a great time, getting to know with all the people that are using KiCad, and all the people that are giving talks. If you didn't see, there's talks posted as well. So I'm really excited about that. If you have any other questions, you can always email faq@kicad-kicon.com. There's the email is also on the website there. That's basically the general helpline for the conference, and we'll try and respond to you there as well. Like I said, we'll also have information posted about lodging and other logistics coming up in the near future. We're looking forward to seeing you April 26th and 27th at mHub in Chicago for KiCon 2019. Thanks for watching.